Okay. So hello students, this is KANA ASTRA live interactive test 35. So we'll start with gravitation. Okay, gravitation. Before we start with gravitation, so gravitation start பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீட்ல number of questions எத்தனை questions கேட்பாங்கன்னா around past 10 yearsல 2 to 3 questions minimum every year gravitationல இருந்து important questions வரும். So selected number of questions 3% chance of coming gravitationல இருந்து 3% chance. So 2 to 3 questions expect பண்ணலாம். இல்ல selected if you know like universal law of gravitation, Kepler's law, acceleration due to gravity, இதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. So we'll start with the live section. All right, MCQ start பண்ணிடலாமா? Okay. One second. So first question, four particles of masses m2, m3 and 4m are kept in the sequence at the corners of the square side A. A magnitude of gravitational force acting on the particle of mass m placed at the center of the square will be. The options are present below, A, B and C, D. Choose the right answer. Okay. So you have 4 minutes. And okay, let's see who's fastest. Option C is correct. Let's see in the leaderboard la yaar faster இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Okay, hustler. What hustler are you? Okay, hustler. All right, hustler is fastest. Super. Agarshini, Sahana, Kin. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Question number 2. I'll just read the question. At the surface of a certain planet, acceleration due to gravity is 1/4 of that on Earth. Okay. If a brass ball is transported to this planet, then which one of the following statement is not correct? So the options are below. The mass of the brass ball on the planet is quarter of its mass as measured on the Earth. The weight of the brass ball on this planet is quarter of the weight as measured on the Earth. The brass ball has same mass on the another planet as on the Earth. The brass ball has the same volume on the other planet on the Earth. Okay. Time is going on.
Recording in progress.
Let's see. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's see who's fastest and correct also. So option E is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. Kin is fastest. Super. Super, Kin. So let's go to next question. Question number 3. Okay. The question is, the change in the value of G at a height h above the surface of the Earth is the same as at a depth of D below the surface of the Earth. When both D and h are much smaller than the radius of the Earth, then which one of the following is correct? The options are below. D equal to h by 2, D equal to 3h by 2, D equal to 2h, D equal to h. All right. We have still time left. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Option C is correct. Let's see who is fastest in the leaderboard. Okay, super. Agashini is fastest. All right, super Agashini. So, all right, let's go to the next question. Fourth question out of 25 MCQs. Let's start. In a region of only gravitational field, a particle of mass m is shifted from A to B, okay, via three different paths as shown in the figure. The work done in different paths are W1, W2, and W3 respectively. Then the options are they are present in the below A, B, and C, D. Is it ascending or descending? It is greater or lesser than or equal to? Please check it out. You will get more diagram based questions like this in Neet. So practice more diagram based MCQs in gravitation. All right. We just have 4 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. All right. So let's see who's correct and who's fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. Okay. Agashini or Casper. Casper is fastest. Super. All right. Let's go to the next question. So question number 5 out of 25 MCQs, okay, out of 25 MCQs. So this is the fifth question. Three particles, each having a mass of 100 grams, are placed on the vertex of an equilateral triangle of side 20 centimeter. The work done in increasing the side of triangle to 40 centimeter is G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 13 n minus m square by kg square. So the options are below. What happened? So okay. So okay, option A is correct. All right. Let's see who is fastest. Okay, the hustler is faster. So let's go to the next question. Sixth question. Okay, the distance between the centers of two stars is 10 A. The masses of these stars are M and 16 M, and the radii A and 2A respectively. A body of mass M is fired from the surface of the larger star towards the smaller star. What should be its minimum initial speed to reach the surface of the smaller star? Obtain the expression in the terms of G, M, and A. Okay, the options are below. For career guidance and Neet admissions, please check the description below. You can join. The number and a link is in the description. Please check it out. All right. You have a few seconds more. 3, 2, and 1. All right. Option A is correct. Let's see who is fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. The results came. Sahana is fastest in the leaderboard. And Agashni, Hustler, and Arya are in the top list, top 3 list. Okay. All right. Let's go for the next question. This is 7th question out of 25. Okay. This is easy. Okay. The three solid spheres, okay, the three solid sphere, each of mass m and radius r, are released from the position shown in the figure. Okay. The speed of any one sphere at the time of collision with v. So the options are below. Easy, direct question. Very logic question. You can easily answer this question. We'll get these types of questions in the NEET actually. Diagram based questions. Practice more MCQs at. All right. We have few seconds left. 10 seconds more. Understand the question first, okay? Yeah, okay. All right. Option C is correct. No, option D. Okay. Sorry. Option D is correct. Let's see who's fastest. Yeah. Okay, 8th question. A particle is projected vertically upward from the surface of the Earth radius RE with a kinetic energy equal to half of the minimum value needed for it to escape. The height to which it rises above the surface of the Earth is. Okay. Hello? Hello. Yeah. Sure. Sorry, guys. So the options are below A, B, and C, D. You have 3 seconds left. All right. The results came. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. Agashini is fast. Super. Hunter, Arya are in the top list also. All right. Let's go for the next question. So, 9th question. Okay. Understand question properly. Okay. Let's start. A satellite is revolving around the Earth in a circular orbit. Okay. The radius of orbit is half of the radius of the orbit of the moon. Okay. The satellite will complete one revolution in. Okay. You have the options below. 2 minus 3 by 2 lunar month, 2 minus 2 by 3 lunar month, 2 by 2, 3 by 2 lunar month, 2 by 3 lunar month. So let's see. Uh, which option is right? Okay, you have 2 seconds left. So option E is correct. Let's go to the leaderboard. Okay. Again, Agashini is fast, I guess so. Yeah, Agashini is fast. So let's go for the 10th question. Let's start. Yep. Okay. A planet is moving in a elliptical orbit. Okay. A planet is moving in an elliptical orbit. If T, V, and E and L are respectively its kinetic energy, the potential energy, total energy, and magnitude of angular momentum, then which of the following statement is true? T is conserved, V is always positive, E is always negative, L is conserved, but the direction of the vector L will continuously change. So conceptual question is this. You just have few seconds left. 2, 1. Let's see who is right and fastest. Option C is correct. Let's see who is fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. Arya's fastest. Okay. Super. All right. Okay. Let's go for the next question. 11th question out of 25 MCQs. Can we start? Okay. In the figure of a planet, okay, in the figure of a planet around the sun in elliptical path is shown with sun at one of its foci. Two shaded areas shown in the figure are equal if the times taken by the planet to move from A to B and from C to D are T1 and T2 respectively. Then the T1, T2 or ascending or which is bigger or equal to, or there is no relation between T1 and T2. So the options are present below. Check it out. Okay. See, as I say, there are more diagram-based questions in this. Practice more diagram-based questions. You have 5 seconds left. Okay. Option C is correct. Let's see who's fastest. Okay. Arya's fastest. Super. Let's go to 12 out of 25th questions. All right. All right. Let's attempt 12th question. Okay. A projectile is launched vertically from the surface of the Earth of radius r with an initial speed v. If atmosphere resistance is neglected, the maximum height attained by the projectile is. The options are in below. Check it out. You have few seconds left. Okay. Option E is correct. Let's see who is fastest. Okay. Priya is fastest. Okay. All right. Let's go for the next question. Question number 13. Okay. All right. The mass of a planet Mars is 1 to the 10th of the mass of the Earth, and the radius is 1 by 2 of the radius of the Earth. If the escape velocity at the Earth is 11.2 kilometer per second, then the escape velocity at Mars will be. The options are below: 10 kilometer per second, 5 kilometer per second, 20 kilometer per second, 40 kilometers per second. You have few seconds left. Attempt quickly. All right, 5 seconds more. Option E is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. இப்போ யாரு? Arya, Sahana, Agarshya, யாரு fast? Okay, Arya's fast. Super. Agashni, Arya, and Priya are in the top list. Let's attempt question number 14 out of 25th MCQs. Okay. Question number 14. Okay. The satellite orbiting the Earth have finite life, and sometimes debris of satellites fall to the Earth. This is because the solar cells and batteries in satellites run out. The laws of gravitation predict the trajectory spiraling inwards of viscous forces causing the speed of the satellite, hence the height of the gradually decreases of collisions with the other satellites. Easy question, guys. Direct question. You have few seconds left. Okay. Option C is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. Okay, Priya's fastest. Super Priya. Aryan Agashini is also. You're in the top 3 list. Let's attempt 15th question out of 25 MCQs. This is a statement question, okay? Statement 1. Escape velocity of a tennis ball from the surface of the earth is the same as the escape velocity of the cricket ball from the surface of the earth, okay? The statement 2 is escape velocity of a body is independent of the mass of the body. The options are below. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true, or both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is true, but the statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. This is conceptual question. All right. Okay, the option A is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. Priya's fastest, Arya Nagashni. Okay, super. Let's go for the next question. 16th question out of MCQs. 16th question, okay. This is match column 1 and column 2. Okay, va? Column 1 with column 2, considering M is mass of the sun and M is mass of the earth. Okay. The R bar is position vector of the earth with respect to the sun. The column 1 and column 2 is Kepler's first law, and we have some follows. T is directly proportional to A cube. Kepler's second law of orbits. Kepler's third law, dA equal to dt equal to constant. Gravitational force is central force. Angular momentum of the earth or of the sun is constant. So கரெக்டா பார்த்துட்டு டெக் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு கொஸ்டினை பார்த்து மேட்ச் ஆன உடனே டக்குன்னு கிளிக் பண்ணாதீங்க. அட்டெம்ப்ட் ஆல் ஏ பி அண்ட் சி டி எல்லாமே கரெக்டா இருந்தா அப்போ ஆப்ஷனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, ஆப்ஷன் டி இஸ் கரெக்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ கெப்லர்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லா வந்து லா ஆஃப் ஆர்பிட்ஸ். லெட்ஸ் see who's fastest. Agashni is fastest. Aryan, Priya are in the top list also. Okay, everyone, Kin, Sahana, try. Come on. So question number 17 out of 25 MCQs. So, okay. Infinite number of bodies, each of mass 2 kg, are situated on x-axis at distance 1m, 2m, 4m, 8m respectively from the origin. The resulting gravitational potential due to this system at the origin will be minus 4 by 3g, minus 4g, minus g, minus 8 by 3g. So for further details, contact KANA Academy. So link in the description, you can check it out. All right. So we have this live sessions every day, 6 to 7. Try to attempt for practicing more MCQs based on it. So we are taking mostly on Neet basis MCQs. So you guys can check it out. Okay. Option B is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. Sahana is fastest. Top 3 list, Agashni, Arya, and Priya are in the top 3 list. Okay, super. Let's go for the next question. So, question number 18 out of 25. Okay. Let's start. A mass of planet 1 by 10 that of the Earth, and its diameter is half that of the Earth. The acceleration due to gravity of the planet is, the options are below. 19.6 ms per minus 2, 9.8 ms per 1 minus 2, 4.9 ms per 1 minus 2, 3.92 ms per minus 2. The options are below. Choose the right answer. Come on. Let's see, yaar fast in the time அப்படின்னு. Okay, option D is correct. Let's see who is fastest. சீக்கிரமா பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ யாரு? ஆகாஷ்னியா, பிரியா, ஹஸ்லர். All right. Priya's fast. And Agashni, Arya, and Priya are in the top 3 list. Super. Kin, Hustler, what happened? Come on, you guys can do it. All right, let's go for the next question. So question number 19 out of 25 MCQs. Okay. Two bodies of mass m and 9m are placed at a distance r. The gravitational potential on the line joining the bodies where the gravitational field equals 0 will be g equal to gravitational constant. The options are below. Check it out. So choose the right question. Have a paper below. Just try பண்ணி பாருங்க பென் வச்சு சும்மா ஏபிசிடி ஏதோ ஒன்று கிளிக் பண்ணாதீங்க போட்டு பாருங்க substitute with the formula as well. Okay, come on guys. Yeah, 3 2 and 1. Let's see. Option B is correct. So let's go to the leaderboard session. Leaderboard like are fast. Sahan is fast. Agashni, Arya, and Priya are in the top 3 list. Okay. The question number 20. This is assertion reason question. Okay. Conceptual question. So, okay. When the radius of orbit of a satellite assertion, I'll start. Assertion. When radius of orbit of a satellite is made 4 times, its time period becomes 8 times. The reason is the greater the height above the surface of the Earth, the greater is the time period of the revolution. The options are below. So, option statement true and reason. The correct explanation of assertion is correct, or it is not correct, or assertion is true, or reason is false, or reason is false, or assertion is true. Check it out in the options below. Choose the right answer. You guys have a few seconds left. Attempt as soon as possible. Okay. Option B is correct. Yaar, fast tipo. Akashni, Arya, Priya, Sahana, Kin, Hustler. Who is the fast? Agashni A is fast. Super, Agashni. Nice. So, question number 21 out of 25 MCQs. So, this is also a concept-based question. All right. When a satellite in a circular orbit around the Earth enters the atmospheric region, it encounters small air resistance to its motion. Then, option A, its kinetic energy increases. Option B, its kinetic energy decreases. Option C, its angular momentum about the Earth decreases. And the option D is its period of revolution around the Earth increases. So choose the right answer. ஆன்சர் நல்லா பாருங்க, கொஸ்டின் ஒழுங்கா படிங்க, அப்புறம் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. டக்குனு கிளிக் பண்ணாதீங்க. கொஸ்டின் ஒரு வாட்டி நல்லா ரீட் பண்ணுங்க. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த கான்செப்ட். You will get more questions like this actually. Okay. its kinetic energy increases. Option A is correct. Let's see who's fastest. ஆர்வமா இருக்கு ரொம்ப. All right, all right, all right. Hustler, finally. Okay, Hustler is fastest in the leaderboard. And Agashni, Arya, and Priya is top 3 list. Let's go and attempt 22nd question out of 25. So this is question போட்டு பார்த்தா தான் வரும் இது. The change, okay, I'll just read the question. The change in the value of G, okay. The change in the value of G at a height h above the surface of the earth is the same as the depth x below. When both x and h are much smaller than the radius of the earth, then the options are x equal to h, x equal to 2h, x equal to h by 2, x equal to h square. Okay. We have few seconds left. Attempt fast. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right question is option B. All right. X equal to 2h now. Answer, okay. Who's fastest in the leaderboard? Agashni, Arya, Priya, Sahana. Sahana is fastest in the leaderboard. Okay, let's go for the next question. Twenty-third question out of 25 MCQs. So 23rd question. Can we start? Okay. A speed. Okay, I'll start reading. A speed of a satellite of mass 500 kg at a height of 10 to the power 3 kilometer above the Earth's surface is 7.36 into 10 to the power 3 m by 6 s. If the orbit of the satellite is circular, then the gravitational force due to the Earth on the satellite in n. The options are present below. 4 to the power 10, so 4 into 10 to the power 12, 2, 3.66 into 10 to the power 3, 3.75 into 10 to the power 4, 4.5 into the 10 to the power 2. All right, 5 seconds left. Okay. Option B is correct. Yaar fast in the leaderboard. Patalama. வந்துருச்சு results. Agashni, Arya, Priya, Sahana. The hustler is fastest. Super. Next question. 24th question. Okay. All right. A planet is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. If v is the velocity of the planet when its position vector from the sun is r, then aerial velocity of the planet is. The options are present in the below. Check it out. Choose the right answer. All right. For counseling and career guidance, please contact us. The number is present in the description below. Okay. Option C is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard. The hustler is faster. And Agashni, Aryan, Priya are in the top 3 list. Super. In the 25th question பார்த்துடலாம். அதுக்கப்புறமா ஃபைனலா டிசைட் பண்ணிடலாம் யார் faster and who has more points அப்படின்னு. Okay, super. Let's start. Okay. Last and the final question. If G is the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth's surface, the gain in the potential energy of an object of mass m raised from the surface of the Earth to the height equal to the radius r of the Earth is, the options are present below. Option A is 2 mgr, option B is half mgr, option C is 1/4 mgr, option D is mgr. Choose the option below. Correct option click பண்ணுங்க. All right. Be faster. All right. அப்பதான் you will get more points. Correct இருந்தா. Okay. 5 seconds left, I guess so. All right. Okay. Option B is correct. 1/2 mgr. Okay. Yeah, easy question, guys. Agashni is faster. And Agashni is in the top list. Super Agashni. So, all right. Super. So we have classes and live sessions like this every day at 6 to 7. Please check it out. For further counseling and other career guidance, check it. Contact us. We have link in the description below. Thank you, guys. Thank